Hey guys, in this video, we will walk you through how to connect your BingX account with MetaTrader 5. First, make sure both platforms are properly set up. Your BingX account should be fully verified and two-factor authentication should be enabled. After that, install MetaTrader 5 on the device you plan to trade from. Next, go to your BingX dashboard and copy your MT5 server name, your numeric login ID, and the generated password. Now open MetaTrader 5 and start adding a new account using the information you just copied. In MT5, click on File, then open an account and choose the option to add a new broker. Paste the BingX server name exactly as provided. After that, enter your login ID and password, then click Connect. Once connected, make sure your symbol list syncs so that BingX trading instrument appear correctly. You may also adjust leverage and base currency to match your BingX setting. Finally, verify the connection by checking that your MTS shows the correct BingX account balance, server time matches, and price ticks are updating in real time. Place a small test trade or use a demo order to confirm that execution, spreads, and margin behavior are working as expected. This helps prevent issues when trading larger amounts. If anything goes wrong, clear your MTS cache, recheck the server name and login details, and try again. Thanks for watching.